One word I would use to describe Edge is transformative. Jose Melendez, founder of Melendez Insurance Group. We serve individuals and businesses for property, casualty, life, and employee benefits. We're based in the Chicago area, but we service the Midwest, so Indiana, Wisconsin, and Illinois. And we've been around for 18 years. Some of the challenges that we've had, we're stretched thin. We're all wearing lots of hats. Instead of me focusing on high-value activities, I'm actually rolling up my sleeves and in the trenches with my team. There's a little bit of frustration amongst the team. Our response rate is a little slower, taking time away from maybe high-value growth activities like strategy. Hiring locally is extremely challenging in Chicago. It's really hard to find somebody that's bilingual and has insurance experience. Really challenging and time-consuming. Edge's candidate selection process was really smooth and efficient. We needed to hire somebody yesterday. It was really quick. I mean, I literally had an interview with 3 top-tier candidates, I would say within a week. They presented a strong slate of candidates. They tailor-fitted what we needed in our agency, and they picked the top 3 that we could interview, and they're all high-quality candidates. The candidate came in with insurance experience. They were culturally a really good fit for us. Being bilingual, I think, was super important because that's a skill that's kind of hard to find in the insurance world. I think the pre-training is such a great thing to have. Before they start for me on day 1, I think there's like several weeks of pre-training where they're actually touching certificates, understanding personal lines, commercial lines. So by the time she started, she was ready to go. They saved me a lot of time, and when you're running a small business, having time is a valuable thing. So our response times have gone up 40 to 50%. The phone gets answered within a couple rings, and that sounds trivial, but in today's day and age, having somebody that's part of your team actually answer the phone rather than a machine or AI or something like that, it means a lot. It's a human touch. It's one of those things that separates us from our competition. The team really loves her, and so do the clients. And we actually, since we hired her, we've gotten perfect scores, 10 straight for 4 months. And at that moment, I knew we had a real asset to our company because she was paying attention to the details. And sometimes the love is in the details. I see our virtual associate, not just a cost savings thing, which it's a growth accelerator. You're getting them at a discount, but when you compare that associate to regular entry-level people here in the United States, I would argue that they're still above them too. If we never hired from Edge, we would still be playing whack-a-mole, being reactive rather than proactive. We wouldn't have perfect scores on our surveys. Probably wouldn't be as profitable. Yeah, we wouldn't be in exactly the growth accelerator state that we are right now. Working with Edge has enabled us to be more focused, more efficient, and better able to service our clients.